presumption is that your your bearings are fine. Bearings are fine, your side shocks are fine, and your CV joints are fine. So you're changing disc pads. So when I change the disc pads, the inside disc pad is worn and the outside disc pad is not worn. There's about 20 to 30,000 Ks still left on there. And the reason of that's caused that is the fact that these caliper supports were seized. These here caliper supports were seized, and they were not moving in and out. They have to be able to move in and out like this, like that. So then you are getting the correct pressure on both sides of the pad, of your brake pad. So the top one wasn't seized, the bottom one was seized, and that caused the pad to wear unevenly, the inside pad to wear unevenly, and the outside pad, as you can see, is not as worn as the inside pad. So you've lost a couple of kilometers on these pads here. But just replacing the pads is not going to be solving the problem, because immediately you open and you see something like that, you must know that you've got a problem with your caliper supports here.
Okay.
This one's still a bit tight like this, but I mean, I've put copper slip on there, and maybe I need to put some more copper slip. You can put copper slip on like this. There's another extra you can put on also, like this. It's anti-rust. It'll stop it from rusting, and it'll work right. And these little rubbers here must seal. They mustn't be broken. The rubbers are broken, then you're going to get dust in there, and it'll seize again. These rubbers here, they've got to be sealed. In other words, if they are broken or cracked, they'll get dust in, and then these supports here, slides, caliper slides, will seize. And once they seize, then you're going to get incorrect braking, and you're going to get incorrect wear on your caliper, on your brake pads.
So you first have to do that before you put back the new brake pads.
You should be checking these to make sure that these are not seized, and that the rubbers are not perished.
Okay.
And you can buy those kits
Where do you buy them?
from spares dealers.